What is going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. We have the Galaxy S25 Ultra right here. This video in particular is for the best accessories for the Galaxy S25. This applies to the 25, the 25 Plus, and the Ultra. It's pretty much the same across the board. Depending on what device you have, don't worry, this video is for you. Small but big disclaimer, some of them are expensive, okay? And another disclaimer, these are all optional. Obviously, everything is optional. You do what you want with your money. These are what, or in my opinion, are the best accessories to have for this beast of device right here. So, as usual, we have Spidey in the building. He is our official co-host and timekeeper on this channel. He likes to keep these videos short and sweet because you guys are important people, and I know you got things to do. We try to get you guys from point A to point B as quick as possible, but without wasting any of you guys' time. Without any further ado, we're gonna hop into it. Subscribe if you're new, like if you enjoy this content, and let's go. All these items will be on Amazon.com. I pretty much get most of this stuff through Amazon, so the links for all this will be in the description below. And all these are important to me, so just keep that in mind. This is what I use on the day-to-day, so I'm not just pulling this list out of my butt. First thing on the list is a car mount. Now, I have this car mount right here. I recently bought it. Like I said, link in the description. This is on Amazon. I need a car mount. Like, that is a must. I don't want my phone just sitting in the center console collecting dust and freaking candy slime and grease and whatever. I put my phone usually on the car mount, definitely for GPS if I need it. Usually most cars have Apple Play or CarPlay or whatever it is, Android Auto. I like to have my phone on a mount, and this one in particular, this has 3 points of contact, so I'm not too worried about this thing falling out. So the previous car mount that I did have, it only had 2 points of contact, which was at the bottom and at the top, and every time I would go over a bump or a hill, whatever the case is, speed bump, it would just fall out because it wasn't anything holding it on the side. So this one has 3 points of contact, so this will hold your device very snug. So you just sit it in here like this, tighten it in, and you have your car mount. And then on the back, you can adjust the tightness on your air filter on your car. So it will be very snug. Next thing on the list is very important to me as well. It is a 3-in-1 wireless charger, but it also has MagSafe. It will charge your earbuds, your smartwatch, and your phones. This is what it is right here. You can find this link below. $44.99 on Amazon, but if you do not like that price, you don't have to pay it because right now they're offering 15% off and also another 8% if you use the code that's under the item itself. So like I said, the link will be in the description. So if you want all those discounts, click below. But yes, I like this one because it folds up, super compact. Fold this out like this and it exposes your wireless charging pad for your earbuds, and then swing this over like this. Everything is super compact. Tilt it like that, you can charge your watch right there, and then obviously right here you have your charging pad right here. So that's why I said it's 3-in-1. So just make sure you have a MagSafe compatible case, because obviously there's no MagSafe ring inside the phone itself. So yeah, all you do is line this up on here. So put your case on your phone when you're about to charge this, throw your earbuds on the back, and then throw your watch, your smartwatch, on this panel right here. Boom, 3-in-1, super compatible, super compact, which is the most important to me. All right, so the next thing on the list, and I'm using this case in particular, but you can use whatever go-to case you have. I don't know about you guys, but I like to feel my phone. I don't want too big of a case on my phone because it just feels super clunky and like I'm a construction worker or something, which I am not. And in my case, I went with a Benks case, okay? This is my first Benks case, but this thing feels so solid, super thin. Disclaimer, all I'm saying is that you need a case for your phone. So this Benks case in particular, this is the one I went with. This is $49.99 on Amazon, but like everything else, there is a discount. So there's a 15% off discount, and then another I think like 5% or so discount if you use like a code on there. So you're getting even more savings. So you're not paying $50 for a case, which is astronomical in my opinion. It feels very sturdy. It's not flimsy. It's not wobbly or rubbery. And it feels snug on the phone. So once you put it on the phone, it doesn't feel like it's going to pop off like some other cases. Like sometimes I have to struggle to pop this back out because it snaps. You heard it just now. It snaps back into place on its own. So again, this is a Benks case. Very good quality brand of a case. All right, so the next thing on the list is a Ringke privacy tempered glass screen protector. Now you can go with just the standard tempered glass if you want. Maybe just like me, most of you enjoy your privacy. So that's why I usually go with a privacy screen protector and always tempered glass. I do not go with the film because the film, if your phone hits on something that is protruding out of a flat surface, a rock or whatever it is, there's potential for this to crack if you have just a film on it. So that's why I always go with a tempered glass, because if it does make impact, it will crack the glass first before it cracks your screen. I do have one on here already. As you can see, if I tilt it to the side, you can't see anything on that screen. As I go forward this way, you can see, and then when I tilt to the side this way, you can't see anything. Super great. And the best part about it is it's very cheap, and it comes with 2 replacements inside. So it comes with 2 in here. Super easy setup. There's a little plastic thing you sit on the top, hold it down, you pull the little strip, make sure everything's even, you pull the plastic off, and then there you have it. There's not much lining up you have to do because it's already scaled to your actual device. So like I said, the link will be in the description below. You can find this on Amazon for about $17.99, $18. But the next thing on the list is a Galaxy Watch Ultra. Now this is a little bit more pricey. Trust me when I tell you, I know this. This one in particular is $449 on Amazon. Now the only reason I'm recommending the Ultra over the standard Galaxy Watch 7, it has a super good battery. In my testing and experience and day-to-day with this lasts for about 2.5 days if I really wanted to. This thing freaking rocks. 2.5 hour battery on your watch. You don't have to charge it every day. That is the only reason why I'm recommending this one over the standard one, because the battery alone. And if you guys want to see my review of this and what I think about this and all my detailed thoughts after using this, make sure to check out my review of this. I will try to link that one in the description. All right, so the last thing on the list, and this is just because I think it's super cool and I like this design, and it kind of goes with this phone, is a Dbrand skin. I know that is out of the ordinary, but the Dbrand skin, if some of you who are out there and you're watching this video and you like to showcase your phone and not have a case on all the time, that is why I recommend having a Dbrand skin on the back, so you can rock your phone without a case, raw dogging it, and you can show off your phone. I got a Dbrand skin. It is $29.95. I'm still waiting for it to come in the mail, but I got the dark circuit one. I think that one was super cool, and it went so well with my jet black aesthetic for this phone. So definitely complements this with that dark circuit and this jet black Galaxy S25 Ultra. So that link will be in the description as well. Obviously you can only get that through Dbrand itself. So that is my list for the must-have, the best accessories for the Galaxy S25, and that can apply to the 25, the 25 Plus, and the Ultra as well. Spidey's giving me the signal to wrap it up. Hopefully you guys enjoy this. Check those links below. Like if you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.